Hey, so it's Sticky Stein here. Just giving y'all an update. I've been doing a lot of work, doing a lot of thinking, a lot of planning, a lot of action as well. I got a lot of cool things coming up for the year. One thing is I just started working with Madera Outdoor Company, working with them, just starting to plant trees. That's the ultimate goal right there. But to also sell good quality products, and I'll be testing out some of their products, and we'll get to that here shortly. But as you all know, my YouTube page, it's been just going up for about a year now, and I was just playing around with it at first, and now I'm having a lot of fun with it, editing videos, taking videos, showing you all what all is out there. You know, there's a lot of different odd hobbies, and I've got quite a few of them, so I just want to showcase those, and hopefully just keep you all interested in all the content I'm releasing. Hopefully you all are enjoying it so far. My tarantula videos get a little hairy sometimes. That's the cool part, so you can always stay tuned to see more of that. Very adventurous, as many of you all know who I am. Know me in person, you all know I'm very adventurous. I always try to go against the grain, so when I go outdoors hiking, I try to always immediately get off the trail, and that's when you find all the cool stuff, especially all the cool mushrooms. And I got a lot of plans for this year with get my metal detector out. I'm also going to be doing some diving, you know, doing all that, looking for some treasure. I'm a treasure hunter, adventurer, so it's going to be a lot of fun. And so you'll just have to stay tuned to see what all we have, you know. Just stay tuned and just witness it. It's going to be a lot of fun, and hopefully I can get you all motivated to get out there into the outdoors and respect the outdoors and be humble in the outdoors. And please don't litter. I actually go out there and I pick up trash. I'll actually make sure I record a few of those videos this year as well, and where I just take a day and go out there and pick up trash. You know, really I'm out there mushroom hunting, but I'm also picking up trash as well. And I always come out with mushrooms, and I always come out with trash, so just be mindful of that, if you would, please. I like to go pretty deep out in the woods, and I always find trash. You know, it gets more scarce for you the further you get out, but you're out there, you know, 5 miles out there in the middle of nowhere, and you find some beer bottles, or just find some plastic, a lot of times gasoline containers, and a lot of plastic bottles, of course. Tires, for some reason tires, I guess they just roll down the creek when it floods, and so I find a lot of those, and they'll be like half buried in some sand, so you can't even pull those out. You just gotta let them be there. But you know, just be mindful of that. And yeah, so back to working with Madera Company. I got one of their products, or a couple of their products, and you know, I have a link in my bio, and you can get on my Facebook page, Sticky Stein, or you can find me on Instagram, Sticky Stein. I got a post or two up on both of those social media sites to let you all know to use that link if you plan on buying from this company. And by the looks of the product, it all looks great, and I'm excited. You know, they mentioned Alex Hanold, and if you don't know who he is, you should really look into him. He's one of the few people that you can witness perfection at. You just have to check him out. It's just theatrical. It's just out of this world, mind-bending will of the human body and soul. It's just wild. He's a rock climber. You should check him out. That's all I really want to say about him. You just have to look him up. But yeah, so I finally got one of the products in. It only took like 3 days maybe to get here. What's today? Tuesday? 2 days to get here. So I ordered it on Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday. And it's coming from Idaho. That's cool. Pocatello, Idaho. Nice. So Madera Outdoor Company. So what I ordered was good thing that wasn't glass. Well, why would you order any outdoor gear that was glass? I wouldn't. So I ordered a sleeping bag because I've been using my sleeping bag for a lot of years. It's getting ratty. It needs to really be cleaned. But I ordered this. It's super cool. Hopefully it looks cool. So it's got this awesome little case. It's about the size of our military one. I think we could fit our military one a little bit smaller of space. So, but I can't really go off military standard because military standard is military standard. So, let's see how this thing is. Tug on this. This bag seems like it's very thin, but it seems sturdy. Yeah. Alright. So this is what we have. I believe it's a 23-degree sleeping bag. And so it's really long, quite long. I'd say that's a good 7.5, 8 foot long from head to toe. You know, so you tall people that ain't me can fit in it. Here's the top. So there's a large opening. There's a flap. And it zips. So, well, we'll stop halfway zip to look at this here. So, it says Rover Buell. North is facing more northwest, or northwest, Rovos Buell. I don't know if that's part of the name, but, or that's northeast. What am I, I'm tripping. Northeast. Don't ask me to guide you. Just kidding, I'm actually not so bad out there. So, pretty cool. It's got like this opening. It looks like a suit. I guess we'll get in it anyway. "23 degrees. Alright. The rest of this recording will probably be about 4 hours. I'm going to stay in here for 4 hours, see how hot I get. See how hot I can get my core body temperature. So, here it is. You can even walk around it. It's very thin. 23 degrees, it's pretty chilly. I've camped in that before with my other sleeping bag. It's manageable with a lean-to and a fire. Definitely a fire and a lean-to. So, that's awesome. Super awesome. Zip it back up. Got a Velcro flap. It's yellow and blue and like a gray. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I went with that over the hammock because I want to do some colder. Morel season will be a little chillier. And it also came with this fully sealed I know what it is. Just letting the anticipation build. It is a inflatable pillow. Inflatable pillow. That's pretty cool. Nice. So, yeah. Awesome. So, I'm going to inflate it here in a minute and show you all what that's like. Alright, so it's inflated. And awesome logo from Madera Outdoor Company. It says camp, plant trees, change lives. If you would please, and thank you. I plan on planting trees. I'm going to try to do that this year. If I can get this YouTube page popping, if y'all can help me get this YouTube page popping, I'll start to do some really special stuff for the community. I really promise that. I'll do a lot of cool stuff for a lot of cool people. So, you know, I'm not looking to make a bunch of money. I just want to have time to do what I love. I've always gone against the grain with everything, as y'all know me. And, yeah, just want to do cool stuff and let you all know you can also do cool stuff no matter where your life takes you. But cool. All right, well, good talk, guys. So I'll be seeing you around. Awesome. Bye.